Good morning, students. I'm Mrs. Shosonya. I'll be taking ss1 biology. The topic we're treating is aquatic habitat. Aquatic habitat. Now, before we get to aquatic habitat, we would like to explain what an habitat is and the types of habitat. So the habitat is any place. Habitat is any place within an environment where an organism lives or dwells naturally to obtain its food, shelter, and also reproduce. Types of habitat: aquatic and terrestrial habitat. Now, for aquatic habitat comprises of marine habitat, estuarine habitat, and freshwater habitat. We'll be treating marine habitat. Now, marine habitat is a type of aquatic habitat that contains salt water. It includes oceans, lakes, shores, and open sea. Characteristics of marine habitat: it has high salinity. Its pressure increases with depth. It has high density. It's largest in size. And the light penetration is about 200 meters deep. The marine is highly alkaline in nature with an high pH. There's presence of tides, waves, and currents. Oxygen concentration is more at the surface. Then we go to major zones of marine habitat. We have 6 major zones of marine habitat. Number 1, we have splash or supratidal zone. This zone is exposed and usually moistened by splashed water. Organisms found in this zone include crabs and allophytic plants. We have the number 2, intertidal or neritic zone. This zone is exposed at low tide and covered by water at high tides. Abundant sunlight and high photosynthetic activities occur at this zone. Organisms found include algae, crabs, sea anemones, periwinkles, etc. Number 3, we have littoral or subtidal, and we can also call it ophotic zone. This zone also covered with water and receives sufficient sunlight. Number 4, we have benthic. We have benthic zone or diphatic zone. Presence of dim light and low photosynthetic activities. Organisms found on benthic zone of marine habitat include squids, octopus, shark, coral, sea urchin, whales, mackerel, etc. We have pelagic or abyssal zone. This zone is characterized by high pressure, no light penetration. Organisms found in this zone are chemosynthetic, e.g., blue-green algae, nitrosomas, nitrobacter. Then we also have hadal or aphotic zone. This zone is the bed of the deep ocean. There is no light penetration. Water pressure is high and dissolved oxygen is little. We also have adaptation of marine organisms. Adaptation of marine organisms. Marine organisms overcome high salinity in the following ways. They overcome high salinities in the following ways. They drink excess seawater to overcome high salinity or replenish water loss by osmosis. They excrete excess salt out of their body through their gills. They pass out large amounts of hypotonic urine. Cartilaginous fishes maintain equal or similar osmotic pressure with sea pressure. They possess scales on the skin to prevent permeability of water by osmosis. Seaweed possess hold-fast structure for attachments and secrete mucilage cover to prevent dissociation. Food chain in marine habitats. We have examples of food chain, two examples of food chain in marine habitats. In this food chain, the seaweed and diatoms serves as major producers, which supports the food chain, while others are the ones which feed on the diatoms and the seaweed. We have the first example, diatoms being the major producers. The zooplankton feeds on it. The tilapia feeds on the zooplankton. Also, the shark feeds on the tilapia. We also have the seaweed, where the crabs feed on seaweed and the tilapia feeds on the crab. Then we have factors affecting marine habitats. Temperature, sunlight, wind, salinity, waves, water currents, tides, light penetration are factors affecting marine habitats. We'll meet next class where we'll be treating estuarine and freshwater habitat. Thank you.